Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I haven't posted on this channel in almost a year now, and I just thought I would make an update video talking about what's going on, why I haven't posted and that kind of thing. And by the way, if you're into the plants, I'm about to post a video talking about how I propagated this Hoya carnosa from a leaf cutting, which is pretty exciting. But that's going to be the next video after this one. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to talk about why I haven't posted on this channel for a while. And the truth is, I shoot people for a living. Photographer. There we go. So this is my this is what I do for a living. This is what I love. This is my true passion is photography, and I've been doing it for 19 years. And that's how I pay my bills. That's how I put food on the table. It's with a camera in my hands, shooting photos for people, and that's what I've been concentrating on. Growing that business after the pandemic and all that crap. You know, business was slow, and I'm trying to build it up again. So that's where I'm focusing. Also, I have a channel specifically about photography and videography. If you want to go check it out, there's the link, also linked down below in the description. So I've been working on making a video a week for that channel, trying to grow that channel. And so far, so good. It's worked. I'm at 9,000 subscribers and climbing, so that's amazing. But I feel bad because I really have a passion for plants and food. And that's what this channel is all about. Fork and vine, little fork, little vine. And I want to start contributing and start making videos for this channel again. So it's just tough because, you know, I got to work and then I'm making videos for that other channel. And also I have a third side hustle channel, and this is just, I don't spend much time on this channel either, but Urban Windows is all about making long 8-hour sleep videos. So if you like the sound of rain in the city and rain in traffic or the sound of waves and that kind of thing, I made this channel to help me sleep because sometimes, you know, as a creative, you're always thinking, and then you're trying going to sleep and you're still thinking. So I made this channel with these videos to help me kind of relax, unwind, and go to sleep. And if that's the kind of thing you're into too, check out that channel. I'm trying to build that one up. So if you want to go support me there, definitely give that one a subscribe. But with that being said, so in 2023, I want to make more videos for this channel. I want to try and focus on growing this again. I miss making plant videos. I miss making food videos. I miss just talking about food, talking about plants. I even took a side hustle job working at an Italian restaurant after the pandemic, and I learned how to cook Italian food. I learned how to work in a commercial kitchen and all that kind of fun stuff. So it's always been a dream of mine to run a restaurant. So I figured, you know, when the opportunity came, let's work there. So, you know, 1 or 2 days a week, just working in a kitchen. So that's been a lot of fun. That's been a good experience for me. But photography, again, is my main hustle. So I don't think I will be working in a commercial kitchen for long. It's just, I want the experience. So, yeah, that's the channel update, you know, and I want to bring that kitchen experience to this channel so I can, like, you know, do my recipes and show you how to cook different foods and things because I love food. I love cooking. It's been so much fun. And yeah, you know what? I'll even talk about my experience working in a kitchen in a restaurant. If anyone else is interested in that, let me know in the comments below, and yeah, I can talk about that as well. But yeah, so this is just a channel update, and I'm very grateful for all of you who have subscribed and been part of this channel and helped it grow. So thank you very much. I'm sorry I haven't posted videos in almost a year. I've got to focus on work and making money, and that's what's important. But this channel is going to, I'm bringing it back into relevance in my life because it's something I love, and I need an outlet outside of just photography and videography because it's tough, you know. It's like I go to work, I shoot photos, I make videos about shooting photos, and it just, like, photography is just so dominant in my life. It's nice to have an escape, and that's what this channel kind of is. It's like a different genre, you know, something different I can play around with and just take my brain out of the photography world. All right, so yeah, that's the channel update. So hopefully you like that. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the video where we talk about the Hoya carnosa. That one's coming up next. All right, peace out. See ya.